Artoonza.
Hey, Mix Masters and Glitter Engineers! Guess what? We're turning bottle caps into perfect wheels and turning a plain old sketch into the sparkliest mixer truck you've ever seen. Grab a cap, a black marker, a tiny naughty vacuum, and a world-class appetite for glitter chaos. Today we'll draw a bold mixer truck, then flood it with color injections, nail polish shine, and so much glitter your mom will ask for sunglasses.
Aw, so cute.
It's messy, it's magical, it's wildly satisfying. Let's make this construction site sparkle and drive right off the paper. Mixer truck wheels ready for paint, nail polish shine, and epic color injections. Oops, glitter attack incoming. Deploy the naughty vacuum for emergency sparkle control. If glitter were currency, this truck would buy a whole city of ice cream cones. Give us your like. Our tiny vacuum is not naughty. It's glitter hungry. Nom, 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 let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Pink drops first. We're feeding the mixer truck a cotton candy smoothie. Brush it in like you mean it. Give us a big thumbs up. This construction vehicle is about to get fancy with glitter.
Aw, so cute.
Green time. Color injections incoming. This construction vehicle just joined a jungle gym. Color, color, color. Orange splash. Orange, you glad this truck loves glitter? Paint like a sunshine tornado. Yellow blast. We're fueling the mixer with sunshine. Brush strokes equals happy beep beeps. Don't be shy, color high. Pink drops, green drops, orange drops, and yellow drops. Rainbow color injections for our construction vehicle drawing party. It's like we painted a traffic light that won the costume contest. Color, color, color. Red drops now. Bold alert. This mixer truck just flirted with a fire truck. Fierce and fabulous.
Wow!
Metallic light blue polish, mirror shine mode activated. This construction vehicle is officially chrome chic.
Aw, so cute.
It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Shh, don't tell my mom. Glitter gold polish, jackpot sparkle. Now the truck could fund a tiny glitter kingdom. Light blue acrylic injection, soft sky vibes. Gently brush it so the truck can nap under clouds. Color injections, one tiny drop, maximum giggle dosage. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Smash that like button now. High five, little builders. Your mixer truck just became the most colorful construction vehicle drawing ever.
Aw, so cute.
Glitter copper gold polish finale, mic drop shimmer. This mixer truck just won the Sparkle Olympics. Whee! I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.